How to protect an image. Click on the Add to Creation button. Choose the category, click on the Image button. Types of creation, click on the first type, image, then click on the button, Continue. Identification, this is the most important part, please fill in carefully as follows. Enter the title of your image, example, A Child's View of Humanity. Describe your image, content or purpose behind the photo. You have a maximum of 25,000 characters. Example, in this photo, I wanted to expose an innocent look on humanity by highlighting the lively and joyful colors. Click the arrow to the right of the box and select the year of creation of your photo. In this box, to ensure your proof of ownership, mention the equipment used, for example, use of a Nikon D850 digital camera, or in the case of retouching or modification assisted by computer, add for example, retouched by software Photoshop. The goal is to add additional proof of creation. Enter the first and last name of the author and owner. In some cases, by calling, for example, a professional or a subcontractor of the anonymous or independent photographer type. Very important, you must have the copyright cessions duly signed by your photographer in order to be able to use them. Contact us for a consultation with a copyright expert. Add your image, drag and drop the file or click on the central button and search your computer documents for your image in a .jpg or .png format. Please note, any publication on the web that will be detected by our technology will be postponed, allowing you to keep control over your creation. Visibility, choose one or three categories to simplify the future referencing of your data and your image. Explanation of categories. Technology. Art and culture, managerial profession, education. Finally, tick the declaration of authenticity to certify that you are the real owner of your image. The second article tells you that just like registration in a conventional intellectual property office, once validated you can no longer backtrack to correct the content of your certificate. Payment, enter the information necessary for payment, then check the two bottom boxes to validate the conditions of use as well as the registration in the blockchain, and your protection is complete. Clarification, the last box concerns the renewal of the plagiarism detector for 0.16 cents per day, evening $60 a year. If you do not want alerts for unauthorized use of your creation, do not check the last box and no other costs will be charged. To download your BIP certificate, once registration in the blockchain is complete, you can download your certificate proving your property by clicking on the Proof of Record link at the bottom of the page under your registration key, which is your unique public key proving your property and verifiable from all over the planet. Do not hesitate to contact us for any questions.